In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your TurboTax tax data file to a new computer. If you're switching computers and want your tax work to come with you, this walkthrough keeps it simple and stress-free. We'll make sure TurboTax is ready on your new computer, use a thumb drive to carry your data over, and connect that drive to the new machine so you can pick up right where you left off. First, confirm that your new computer already has TurboTax installed. It's best to install the exact year of TurboTax that matches your return, since a 2023 file, for example, is designed to open in the 2023 version. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official source and run any available updates so everything is current. Taking a moment to check this now helps you avoid compatibility issues later. Next, head to your old computer and plug in a thumb drive or another portable storage device like an external hard drive. Use a reliable device with enough free space for your files. If the drive prompts you to open a folder, go ahead. Otherwise, you can find it in your File Explorer. It's a good idea to give the drive a clear name if it's blank so you can recognize it easily when you move to the new computer. Now, copy or move your tax data file to that device. Look for a file with the year in the name and a .tax extension, such as .tax 2023 or .tax 2022. Common locations include your Documents folder or a TurboTax-specific folder that was created during installation. If you've saved a PDF of your return or have a backup copy, you can include those too. But the .tax file is the key item you need. Drag the file onto the thumb drive or right-click and choose Copy, then paste into the drive. Wait for the transfer to finish before proceeding. When the copy completes, safely eject the portable device from your old computer. Use the eject option in your System tray or File Explorer to prevent file corruption. Once it's safely removed, plug the device into your new computer. Give your system a moment to recognize it, then open the drive and verify your .tax file is there. From here, you're set to continue your tax work on the new machine. Keep the file on the portable device as a temporary backup until you've confirmed everything opens as expected, and avoid deleting the original from your old computer until you're confident the transfer is successful. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready for your next steps on the new computer. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.